Hey guys, my name is Muhammad Amir Haider Rizvi and welcome to Tech Unax. So in this video, I'm going to show how to use Firebase authentication in your Kodular application. So let's get started. So first you have to go to firebase.com or firebase.google.com. The link is in the description. You can go and check it out. Click on here, get started. Okay, now it will take you to console.firebase.google.com. Now let's start with a name for our project. So let's take it as my test my test project. Okay, now let's click on here too. Now let's click on here continue. We don't want Google Analytics enabled, and let's enable it. Now click on here continue. Google Analytics default account for it. Okay, creating a project. Okay, it will take some seconds as per your internet speed. Let's see my internet. okla.com. okla uh, what is this? Internet speed test. Okay, speed test not dot net. Okay, now let's click on here go. Okay, our project is ready. Okay, let's close the speed test. Now let's click on here continue. Now let's click on here Android. Now let's put a Android package name. Now let's click on here create project and let's create a project like my test project. Okay, now let's click on next. Now let's give the app a name. uh, Test project. Package name will be com.test.app. Now let's click continue with the project. So it is getting things ready. Okay. Now let's go and copy our package name. Theming, publishing, sorry. And let's copy the package name. Okay, copied. Now let's put the Android package name. Now let's put this signing certificate. So click on here account preferences and copy your key store. Okay, okay, paste. Oh, sorry, I have not copied it. Preferences, copy, and let's paste it. Okay, why it is not? Let me copy. Now let's paste it. Let's click on here, register app. So just a second. Okay, why what is saying? An unexpected error has occurred. Reason. Okay, let me see all projects. Um, what should I do here? So I will use this one project. Okay. Now what you have to do is let me just delete all the uh, mm, Delete this. Delete provider. I understand. Project settings. Okay. Yes. So now when you click on here, add app, this Android, let's put the Android package name again. It is taking some time because of some issues. Copy, copy, paste. Let's copy the key store and let's paste it. I don't have any. Oh, what it is saying. Let me see again. Let me delete the package name also. Let me change it. Mm, app dot permission. Copy. Okay. Now when you will click here Android, put the Android package name and that key store. What? I have some issues with my computer keyboard. I will fix it. Let me copy it with my mouse. Copy and paste. Now let's click on your register app. Okay, it is taking a second. Now, now download this Google services.json file. Okay, I have downloaded. Okay, now let's go click on your next, next, continue to console. Now what you have to do is go to the assets manager and put the Google services JSON file. Okay, it will take a second. Okay, it has been uploaded. So now go to your Firebase console. Now click on your authentication. Click on get started. Okay, allow now click on here Google additional providers Google project. Okay, now click on here save. Okay, now what you have to do is just for just to show for you guys, I will take a button with login with Google and label and a picture, oh sorry, image. Okay, now you go to this monetization advertising. uh, you have to go to Google and drag and drop this Firebase authentication. Now let's do the coding. When button one click, call Firebase authentication one Google sign in. Okay, now let's do this. When Firebase authentication one login success, uh, just wait a minute. Set label one text to name. Okay, now let's duplicate it. When label to text, let's delete this. It will change into email. Get email. Okay, and when Firebase authentication login success, uh, change image one picture to profile picture. Wait a minute. Okay, and let's drag and drop a label also. Let's duplicate this, paste it here. Label 3, get phone number. Okay, so when the user is logged in with Google, this image will turn into his profile picture. The first text will be changed into his name, the second text will be changed into his email, and the third text will change into his phone number. Okay, hide no. Again, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, so this is for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment my channel, and don't forget to test your new Google app. Bye bye.